If you have a phone and you need to make some quick money, I've got 7 apps that you can use to make money daily. The best part is that all of these side hustles are 100% free. Let's get into it. 1. On My Way. On My Way is an app that will pay you money to not text while you're driving. The way it works is that On My Way will automatically connect once you start driving over 10 miles per hour. You'll get paid for every mile that you drive, but don't text or use any distracting apps. You can still make phone calls, listen to Apple Music or Spotify, or use different services like Apple CarPlay. However, the app will be able to tell if you're texting or using distracting apps like Instagram while you're driving. Now, when you first sign up for the app, they'll pay you $100 right off the bat just for signing up. For every mile that you drive without texting, they'll pay you 5 cents. I know this doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you consider that the average American drives about 14,000 miles per year, that's a little over $700 per year that you could be earning. On top of that, if you refer your friends and they sign up for the app, you'll get a $2 bonus plus 2 cents for every mile that they drive. So, that's on top of the 5 cents per mile that you're already earning by yourself. 2. Receipt jar. Typically, when you go shopping, you get a receipt, right? What do most of us do with those receipts? Well, if you're like me, then you just throw them away. But what if there was a way for you to get paid for these receipts? With an app called Receipt Jar, you can do exactly this. The way it works is, wherever you go and shop for groceries, clothes, food, or anything, just save your receipts, take a picture of them with your phone, and then upload that picture into the app. When you do this, the app will reward you with points that you can then redeem for money. You can also earn money by sharing the app with friends, doing surveys, or playing the Shakes game. How much money you earn from this app will all depend on how many receipts you upload. But if you do a lot of shopping already, then you might as well be paid for doing it, right? 3. Surveys on the go. As all of you probably know, or at least I hope you do, taking surveys is not going to make you rich, but it is still a great way to pass some time and make money doing so. Surveys on the Go is a popular survey app available on both Apple and Android devices. The app has very high ratings on both the Apple Store and Google Play Store. After browsing through thousands of various reviews of the app, it became immediately obvious that this was a great way to earn money fast. You will immediately earn $1 as soon as you download the app, and then you can just open up the app and take surveys whenever you have free time. Or you can just enable notifications, and the app will notify you whenever you have new high-paying surveys available to you. On average, most surveys with this app will pay between $1 and $5, with some surveys paying over $10. Many reviews with real people saying this app pays more money than most other survey apps. To get started, simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, type in Surveys on the Go, download the app, and then start making some easy money. 4. Moomoo. One of the best ways to make really easy money is by taking advantage of cash rewards when signing up for a new service. For example, opening up a new account with an investing app is a great way to get free stocks, sometimes valued up to thousands of dollars. There's an app called Moomoo that's doing just that. When you open an account with Moomoo, you can earn 1 free stock, no deposit necessary, and up to 15 free stocks after your first deposit. But if you happen to be in Australia, don't miss your chance to earn up to $110 in cash rewards as a bonus for depositing your first $1,000. Moomoo is a popular investing app perfect for helping you get started on your investing journey. My favorite feature is the indicator filter that helps you sift through and easily discover stocks that match your unique investment strategy. On top of that, if you're brand new to investing, Moo has completely free online investing courses to level up your skills. 5. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes is an app that lets you earn money by completing short missions in various stores near you. The way it works is simple. After you download the app and create a free account, the app will display all of the available missions that you can complete near you. You can choose which missions you'd prefer to complete based on how much money and how long the mission will take you. Typically, the missions that require a more specific skill will pay you more money. These missions include store checks, which involve you answering a few questions and taking a few pictures within a store, outdoor missions like taking pictures of billboards or storefronts, and different at-home missions. On average, you can expect to earn between $3 and $15 with most missions. A really good way to incorporate this app into your everyday life is to accept missions at stores that you normally visit. By doing this, you can coordinate it so that you only accept missions when it's time for you to go grocery shopping. That way, while you're at the store shopping, you can also be completing a task and making some quick money doing so. 6. Game hack. But what if it were possible to get paid for playing video games in your spare time? Well, with an app called GameHag, that's exactly what can happen. The premise behind GameHag is really simple. You play games online, either by using your phone or your computer, and you collect what's called soul gems. You can then take these gems and redeem them for various rewards, including the most common, which is money sent directly to your PayPal. Now, the way this works is, depending on where you live in the world, every 500 gems that you collect will equal between $3 and $1. Here in the US, for example, you'll earn $3 for every 500 gems. This means, for example, if you were to play this game right here, Raid Shadow Legends, you would earn about $114. Most people spend money to play games, but with this app, you can make money to play games. It seems like a win to me. 7. PollPay. However, if you're looking for an even easier way to make money, something that you can do from the comfort of your bed without ever having to leave your home, an app called PollPay will pay you for your opinions in the form of surveys. Let's just cut straight to the chase, okay? Will this app make you rich? No. But that's not the point of it. The point is to earn rewards and money during your free time by taking quick and easy surveys. The app offers you a ton of surveys to complete and earn rewards from. You can decide which surveys you want to complete, if you prefer a short survey for fast money or a longer survey with a higher reward. When it's time to get paid, you can either get paid through PayPal or with one of the many different gift card options. The app is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store and has an average 4.5 out of 5-star rating between the two. Hey, you guys are incredible. Every single one of you believes in yourself and just understands that you can accomplish whatever you want in this life. And as always, I will see you guys again very soon. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below and share it with your friends. Until next time,